This is such a beautiful Sunday morning, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Oh my goodness. The sun is out, the birds are chirping, the air is crisp, and oh my goodness. I'm ready to eat. How about you?
Oh, very.
What about some pancakes?
Good morning, good morning, good morning. So we left from the yard into the house and we're ready to get started on some pancakes. This is an instructional video with buttermilk pancakes minus the buttermilk, okay? We have our ingredients right here, our dries that's already been measured, and we're ready to place them in the bowl. And I have my lovely assistant, my daughter Layla, and she's going to be pouring our dry ingredients into our beautiful lime bowl.
Mix them up.
Okay, so assistant, if you will, please pour the dry ingredients into the bowl. That is 2 cups of flour, our handy note card. Here we have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Here we have 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Okay, this is 1/4 cup of sugar. This is 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so what we're going to do right now, we're going to get my handy dandy assistant to mix up those dry ingredients. I'm going to get rid of it. How's it coming over there?
Awesome.
It's coming up good. Really, now that we have all of those dries mixed together according to our instructions, we are going to add, let's see. We're going to have sour cream, eggs, vanilla extract, and unsalted butter. You want to come join me in the fridge? Okay, we have our eggs, our sour cream, eggs, sour cream. We have our butter and our vanilla extract. Okay, correct? All right, we're going to do 4 of these. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4. My God, that was a workout. Yes, it was. All right. Now, I need you to mix that up for me, handy dandy assistant.
As you can see, you can't see.
And then we want to put this whole container of Daisy sour cream. I would have got the Walmart brand, but that wasn't available. So this is a total of 2 cups, which equals about 1 pound, 16 ounces. That's about 2 cups. So we're going to add this as well. All right, here we go. Look at this. Oh, look how thick that is. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And it smells so good.
I wonder if we can make Rice Krispies
Out of sour cream, I don't think that's ever going to happen. That would be rather stomach turning. I think that's a great idea. Okay. Yeah, oh Lord. We're going to make some good old stuff up in here today. All right, going to get some 2 eggs going up in here. Yes. On this beautiful Sunday morning. I hope you all having a good morning.
As you can see, the sour cream in the...
Oh my goodness, we're going to keep going. The show must go on. Things happen.
As you can see, the sour cream and the flour are sticking.
They're sticking together, but it's okay. That's why pencils have erasers. When I add that milk in, everything's gonna be all right. We're beating these eggs. We're gonna beat them up till you can't beat them no more. Most people prefer to use a whisk when it comes to mixing up your eggs, but I prefer a good old-fashioned fork. We're gonna mix these up real good. All right, co-host, here we go. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. All right, now we're about to get ready to do our milk. We're gonna do 2 cups of milk. As far as the milk goes, I prefer the 2% milk versus the 2% versus the whole milk. It's something that I just prefer to do on my own for health reasons.
This kind of looks like tuna.
It kind of
No, like chicken. Yeah, the chicken out of the
it looks like chicken.
Yeah.
Oh my God. It may look like crap right now, but you know, it's not going to look like that for long. Just bear with us. All right, we got our liquidy substance right here. All right, that's gonna make some things a little better for you.
Finally.
Okay, let me help you out, sister. All right, let's get this going.
Glory.
Oh my God, it smells good. It don't look worth the crap, but it smells good. I tell you that. See, we're gonna dip that in there, get this stuff from out that whisk.
The milk is softening.
Yep, the milk has everything going real good. But the thing about this batter, you cannot let the batter, you can't over stir. And since the original recipe called for buttermilk, and this is actual milk, the consistency of the mixture is a little watery. So with that being said, we're going to add an extra cup of flour to even out the consistency of the mixture. Okay, so I'm still giving it a good stir right here. And so what we're going to do, you know, things happen. You got to think on your feet. The show must go on. Because remember now, the original recipe calls for buttermilk. We're not using buttermilk. Okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the flour. My handy dandy assistant, would you please get the flour? I'll discard these items. It's going good, guys. Everything is going good. It's a little lumpy. Okay. A part of the oxidation process is when you start mixing and you grabbing other ingredients. The key is you cannot let your batter sit out, or the oxygen will take over and it will just mess your whole mixture situation to another level. You don't want that. You want to keep the same consistency of the mixture, meaning it has to be a little lumpy, which it is, and if it does not, it will become sticky and you'll have to do the whole process all over again. Now let's go to the griddle. We're going to add a little bit of batter at a time. A little bit of batter at a time.
Little by little.
I'm not a cook, guys. This is just for a project. I'm not a cook, guys. Okay. As the pancakes are on the griddle, you will see that in a few, it will start to bubble. That's another part of the oxidation process. Heat will consume the pancake batter, and then bubbles will start to form. As you can see, a little right here. Then we have a little bit over here, but it's still lumpy, but they're still trying to form. The key is flipping, knowing when to flip. At this time, that has not come yet. Okay, we're over to the oxidation process as to where the gas bubbles are forming. I just flipped this one. Let's see how this one is going to turn out. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Pancakes in a few minutes, guys. Okay. These are the end results. 3 beautiful pancakes. One for me, Layla, and my other beautiful daughter, Quanice, who's on the camera right now.
Thank you.
So let's do a taste test. Let's go and see how this turned out. You ready? Cheers. I taste the nutmeg, the cinnamon. It's good. All right, guys. Thanks for joining us. Happy eating.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
No comment, no subscribe. Thank you.